Hey guys, Wes here with Unlock River, and today we've got another drop test video for you. We are dropping what many people say is the most indestructible phone of all time, the Nokia 3310. Once again, this isn't your average drop test. We're dropping this 3310 from 900 feet with a drone. But the real reason we decided to drop test this phone today is because of its reputation of being the strongest phone ever made. People still think of this phone as being virtually indestructible. In my opinion, the greatest thing about the Nokia 3310 are the memes that you find everywhere on the internet. It has been called the Chuck Norris of mobile phones, and the only phone that doesn't disintegrate when Chuck Norris texts. It's been said that if you break through bedrock, you'd find a Nokia 3310, and my favorite, after the apocalypse, only the 3310 will remain.
You gotta give me the signal when you want to drop it, eh?
As we did with our Galaxy S6 drop test, we worked up some simple physics using wind and height to determine an approximate landing site for the phone. As we told you last time, don't try this at home because a phone falling from this distance can cause serious injury.
Okay. Yeah.
meters.
Are you at 200 meters now?
I can't see shit, dude.
Jesus, dude. Hold on.
Now, the quadcopter's in position, the phone is ready to be dropped. We are dropping the Nokia 3310 from a distance of about 900 feet. Will it live up to its reputation? Let's see. Here goes.
Holy shit.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. So it's not indestructible after all.
It finally destroys. It's not indestructible.
It's not indestructible. Hold on. Almost done. Where's the keypad? Oh, there it is.
Not only were we able to put the phone back together, but as you can see, the phone still seems to work.
Holy shit. Screens could do it with a little bit of work, but it's working. Can you hear as well?
Can you hear?
Yeah.
So it still powers on?
You could probably still play Game of Snake.
Indestructible.
Indestructible. Still the best phone ever made.
The Nokia 3310 is actually still able to receive calls. I guess they were right. The Nokia 3310 really is the Chuck Norris of mobile phones. If you haven't seen our Samsung S6 drop test as well as our iPhone 6 drop test, you can find those videos on our YouTube channel as well. As always, we thank you for watching our videos here at Unlock River. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. This is Wes from Unlock River, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.
What the fuck just happened? I think I just fucking caught that on camera too.